Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start immediately. Head to Limgrave, unlock Torrent, and make the run to Death-Touched Catacombs. Once there, verify your level is around 20 to 30 so fights are manageable. Make sure you have quick access to a site of grace nearby. This reduces downtime when you die. You'll want 1/2 flask reserve for the first encounters and a weapon upgraded a couple of levels. Move now, don't grind excessively. Targeted upgrades and mobility matter more than pure level. Once through the entrance, you'll face traps and skeletons. Interrupt with area damage and stagger them to avoid being surrounded. Make sure to use Torrent to jump over choke points and bypass some miniboss patrols, saving time and resources. When you reach the major fight, bait the boss's animations and counterattack after the recovery frames. This maximizes damage without overcommitting. Also, manage your stamina. Roll once or twice rather than spamming, and after the fight, loot the chest or corpse that holds the Raging Wolf set. This completes the acquisition. If you don't see the set immediately, retrace the room. Sometimes the item is on a corpse slightly off the main path, so make sure to search corners and ledges. If things go wrong, reload at the nearest site of grace and clear the area again. Alternatively, kill an alternate miniboss or leave the zone and re-enter to respawn items so you can claim the set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.